I'm waiting for a colleague of mine to add a file to a bookmark because I want to use that file in an assembly I'm working on in SOLIDWORKS. So I want to get notified when he adds that file to the bookmark. Is there a way to do that? Yes, of course there is, and I'll show you how. In another video, I'm covering how you can actively comment on a file and tag a colleague in that comment to send a notification to that colleague. In this case, I'm going to talk about something a little bit different. We are going to talk about subscription or subscriptions. And subscriptions is a very powerful tool on the platform. You can subscribe to any item and many different events that concerns that item. And specifically today we're going to talk about bookmark items, how you can subscribe to things that goes on with the bookmark. Okay, so this is the bookmark editor. We are covering how to use bookmark editor in a different video, so I will not go into detail about that today. So I want to subscribe to the events regarding this particular bookmark. So to be notified whenever someone adds a file to this project files bookmark, I first mark the bookmark like this, and I'll go up to this menu and hit subscribe like this. Subscriptions and then subscribe. However, in this case, I will actually choose edit subscriptions because subscribe will subscribe to all events regarding this bookmark. But specifically to be notified about files being added to the bookmark, I will just choose edit subscriptions in this case. So like this, which will bring up this little window. I will make a mark under content added. As you can see, you can also subscribe to events. If someone adds a new bookmark under this project files bookmark, I will get a notification in this case. If someone takes away content from the bookmark, I can also be notified. In this case, only the content added option is what I'm after. So I'll press OK, and then I should have a little notification saying that you have successfully edited the subscriptions. Okay, so that's it. I will now get the notification whenever anyone adds something to the bookmark. So the first step is to tell the platform that you want to subscribe, but you also need to make sure that your notification settings that you find up here are set to give you notifications about these events. So you go to the preferences and you go to the bookmark editor app, and then you make sure that these bookmark subscribed events is on. That setting is on by default, so you should be good, but it's good to make sure that this is actually on. So here you can see that my teammate has also subscribed to a bookmark, and the notification looks like this. So that's it. That's how you subscribe to bookmark events. I hope this was useful. See you next time.